Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Let's start learning about control flow statements. Now in this video we are going to learn about control flow statement, which is similar to this condition true next false statement, and I again have the same trouble with using this website. So yeah, let's subtract this. Here we are going to know about if else if ladder, and that's all. So we are going to learn about if else. So int num equal to 10, you can give any value you like, and if open the bracket num greater than, let's say, 0, close the bracket, open flower bracket, enter printf number is positive. So if the number is greater than 0, the number is positive, it just prints that. So let's try it. What happens is, first this code gets executed, the third code, which is initialization and declaring, and then it becomes if this condition is true, then this gets executed. So basically what happens here is, in if this bracket we write the condition, and inside this we write the expression to execute. That's all. In this normal bracket we write the condition, in this flower bracket or curly bracket we write the expression to execute. Here we have written the expression as printf number is positive. That means we are going to say to the program that we have to print this string that the number is positive. So what is a string? You already learned it in the first few videos. It is a data type, and here it says the number is positive when this condition num greater than 0 is true, or else what happens, it doesn't print anything. That's all. So let's run. Number is positive because 10 is greater than 0. Let's, instead of 10, let's write -5, a negative integer. Then what happens? Nothing prints. Instead of nothing being printed, I want to make it as number is negative. I want to print number is negative. How do I do that? Well, after writing this, you can write else you don't necessarily need this curly bracket, uh, but I like to keep it because it makes it more neat. So you can do it without the curly bracket as well, but I'm keeping on writing this like this. So in else, the curly bracket, you have to write what you have to execute. So if this is not true, if the number is not greater than 0, it executes the second command, that is printf number is negative. When you run it, says number is negative, then you again make it positive number like 205, number is positive, negative 205, number is negative. That's all about the if else statement. And if you want to add more condition to here, you can add it by else if expression, instead of else, and at the end you can give else. So here if you want, you can write else if number less than 0, and it executes. And instead of all that, let's write else, just else without if, and printf number is 0. So both of these are not true, then this one executes. So if we give 0 here, the number is neither greater than 0 and less than 0, it's equal to 0, so it prints number is 0. That's all guys, that's all about if else statement. Next we have to learn about switch case, and switch case is similar to if else, it's just that we use different words here, and we also have a break statement. So let's start writing it. So let's say switch, let's first give choice equal to 2. Don't forget to write this int. We have to first tell what data type it is, and then give the variable, and then equal to the value. So you have to follow proper format for it. And next we are going to learn about switch. So switch, after switch you have to give the choice or the condition. Let's just write choice, and then after that we can